In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go live using Meta Business Suite. If you want to start a live broadcast from your business account, Meta Business Suite gives you a quick way to access that feature directly from the main dashboard. This is helpful if you manage content, marketing, or audience engagement in one place and want to go live without hunting through multiple menus. To begin, open Meta Business Suite and make sure you're on the main home screen for the correct business account or page. Since many tools are grouped together in the top navigation, the option you need may not be visible right away. Look at the top of the screen and click on More. This menu is where Meta places additional tools and actions that don't always appear in the primary navigation bar. If your screen looks a little different, don't worry. Layouts can vary slightly depending on updates, account permissions, or screen size, but the More option is generally in the top area of the interface. Once you open that menu, look for the Go Live option and click on it. This will take you into the live video setup area where you can begin the process of preparing your broadcast. This is the key action that launches the live workflow inside Meta Business Suite, and from there, you'll be able to continue with your stream setup based on your needs. As a quick tip, before selecting Go Live, it's a good idea to confirm that you're working inside the right page or business profile, especially if you manage more than one. That can help you avoid starting a live session from the wrong account. It's also smart to make sure you already know what you plan to talk about and that your camera, microphone, and internet connection are ready, since live video works best when everything is prepared in advance. And that's it for getting to the live video area in Meta Business Suite. The process starts by opening More at the top, then choosing Go Live from the menu. It's very straightforward, and once you know where to find it, you can access it quickly whenever you're ready to broadcast. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.